Okay, friends. So let me start on. Okay, we are going to take a demo of Vedic mathematics to be taught online and how we will be teaching what is our concept and how we are going to progress. Okay, this chart we will be taking. This entire course will be run on behalf of Jigyasu Trust. Okay, Jigyasu Trust is a trust which is formed to reinstitute and revive educational values as well as generate human competitive for society. Okay, under this we have done lot of activities, and before I start about the maths, okay, so I know major of the student feel maths is most mentally affected student teachers harassing student. Okay, and they think that maths is nothing else but more of a torture. But friend, today when you will be attending the session, you will be seeing that maths is very essential part of life, and you will enjoy this session. Okay, basically, when I talk about the maths, then I personally find that there is not a single second in the world without mathematics. Okay, one of my students asked me, okay, sir, when I sleep I don't use maths. So I said, when you wake up you calculate how much time you slept. Okay, you have decided at night when you have to get up. So this all is a calculation. Or even if you decide that I don't want to get up, that is also a calculation. So there is not a single movement that can be detached from mathematics. Okay, na shanam api ganitam api. Okay. Even clerks need
શું
mathematics.
હા કેમ
Yes, pardon.
શું કામ છે બોલ ને
I think so. Please, all of
ઇડલી
you
ચીલી
unmute
ફ્રાય
yourself.
તો તારી કચોરી ખાઈ લે ને પહેલા દહીં લાવેલું છે પપ્પાને ખાવી છે ઇડલી ચીલી ફ્રાય પૂછી જો
Well,
તું પહેલા
please,
અર્જન્ટ છે એટલે મેં કામ જ નથી કર્યું 2 કલાક થી
Please.
please switch off your mic. Please mute yourself.
Okay. Universe sustain on the base of mathematics. There are a lot of mathematicians who say that there is everything made up of maths. You go to the kitchen, okay, you need mathematics. You do drawing, you need mathematics. You run away from the mathematics and you take up a job of a clerk or a peon. Okay, okay, chalo, I don't want a mathematics in my life. There also mathematics haunt you because okay, there also you have to calculate your salary and divide your salary, how to work out into the month and what will be saving and what not. Okay, so I always say those who are near to mathematics are dear to success. Life is a gamut of math. So maths is very essential from a small kid to a grown up person. Everyone should know the mathematics and certain parts of calculation. For this, we established ISMCC International School of Mathematics competitive course, which went a step beyond, and we took a Vedic maths as an base, and which is nothing else but a new way from old tradition to solve mathematical problem. And this is not only addition subtraction, but we range till a calculus. Okay, and we also go into practical aspects of it. Okay, I will just keep this too. Okay. When I said that mathematics is very essential for success, so we need to understand what success writer talk about the success. They say to get a success, one must not do different thing, rather one must do things differently. And here, when we come to mathematics, then time also we need to learn how to do maths differently. And ISMCC is coming to its rescue. And with means of Vedic mathematics, Strattenberg system, some new invented formula, some innovations in teaching, we are giving a very different purview to learning mathematics. Okay, my first motto is not to teach mathematics but to create mathematician. To create mathematician, let me take a simple sum. Okay, you all will be having calculator in your calculator in your mobile. You can switch on the calculator and you can check my answers. You have generally 8 digit calculator. Can anyone give me any 4-digit number? Any 4-digit number?
7835.
7835. Let us multiply 7835 into 9999. Check, the answer is 78342165. 7835 into 9999. Answer is 78342165.
Correct.
Okay. If it was not right, then your calculator has a problem, but my answer will not go wrong. Okay. So Paresh, this is what is a confidence, what is Vedic mathematics doing. Okay. So let us talk about Vedic mathematics more. But do you want to learn this formula how I did it? Okay. Do you want to learn?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So let's try one sum. I have taken one sum on the board, 1234 into 9999. Answer is 12338766. And even calculators are wondering how I can give this fast answer. And there is a formula behind it. This formula has been given hundreds of years back in Atharva Veda. It was been called Ek Nyunam Purvena. Okay, that is one less to previous number. So whatever I will be doing, I will be just subtracting one, just minus one. So 1234 minus 1. 1234 minus 1 is 1233. 1233. This is first part of my answer. Okay. I hope everyone can do it very easily, even mentally we can get it. And whatever first part I get, I will subtract each number from 9. So 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. And 9 minus 3, 6. See, this 3 I am taking because answer is having 3 and not 4. Okay. So please understand this part. Okay, see, this is 3. So we are not subtracting this number. We are subtracting first part from 9. We are subtracting this part from 9. So I got 8766. When I join my first and second part, I get my whole answer 12338766. Okay, I am very sure you will be also able to do it so fast by a little bit of practice. Am I right? Very easy trick. Okay, so this will make us magician, and there are a lot of trick for a magic. Okay, let me go with one more motto what I have it. Okay, I just don't want people to be mathematician. I want them to go in depth of a concept. I want them to extend the concept. Okay, so first let us take the concept, and I will go for this time's concept of squaring. I have taken number of separate sum. All of you are comfortable with English, or shall I mix up Hindi or some other language with it?
Yes,
Okay.
comfortable.
All of you are comfortable with English?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So there is a method to find square. So suppose I want to find square of 35. If you are in school, you will be taught to multiply 35 into 35. So how you will do it? First you will multiply 35 by 5. So you will get answer 175. And second you will multiply 35 into 3. You will get answer 105. You have to add one zero in end, and you have to add both the parts. So you get it 1225. This is a method you will learn in school. In Vedic maths, we will be learning a magical method, and that is very easy method. This is also popular method. Lot of people will be knowing this method. Okay, so what I will do here is I will, when I am squaring 35, I will close 5. Okay, I will close 5. Whatever number is remaining, so here 3 is remaining, so I will increase it by 1. So 3 plus 1, 4, and I will multiply this 3 into 4, so it will become 12. 12 is first part of my answer. Then I will take 5 which I have hidden, and I will square it. Square of 5, that is 5 into 5 is 25. So second part is 25. My entire answer is 1225. I think so, very easy to do, isn't it? All of you can do it. Am I right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anyone can do this. Okay. Now let us try to extend this concept. But before going to that concept, I will again repeat it. When any number is ending with 5, leave 5 aside. Whatever is remaining, increase it by 1. Multiply that number with the number beside 5 and square 5. That will be second part. Okay. So
मैं बोलती हूँ
1225
थाना
is
से
the
5
answer.
लोग थे। सबसे पहला बैच मेरा 6 मई का था, उसमें 4 लोग थे। उसके बाद 11 का था, उसमें था 2 लोग, 5 नहीं थे, 2 लोग ही थे। हाँ, 8 हो गए। उसके बाद सिंगापुर का 2 साल हुआ, 10। 8 हुए। पहले 4 थे, फिर 2 थे, 6, फिर सिंगापुर के 2, 8, फिर थाना का 5 चालू हुआ, 8 और 5 13,
Please,
और फिर
please stop.
एथलेटिक एक
Mute
सप्ताह
your mic.
और एक साल हुआ ना। हाँ।
Please mute your mic.
बिना ये इसमें
Muted. Sir, you start.
Just hold on.
Sir, they have muted.
Okay, please mute, all of you mute in. Okay. Okay. Next is, okay, that let us go in a concept mode. Okay, let us go into 35 square to 35 into 36. We know 35 square was 35 into 35, and I know how to do, please bear with my handwriting. I know how to do 35 into 35 answer mentally. Okay. And we think, oh, एक ज़्यादा हो गया. Otherwise, I could have done this sum also very quickly. Okay. So 35 into 35, if I want to do it, I can do it very easily. Same way I can do 35 into 36 also if I understand that 35 into 36 is nothing else but I am adding 35 36 times. Okay, and in 35 I am adding only 35 times. So if I add one time more into the answer of 35, I will be getting my answer. So 35 into 36, I will be doing first part as an making the 36 as 35 plus 1. Okay, I replace 36 by 35 plus 1. Now I know how to get answer of 35 into 35, that it increase 3 by 1, so it will become 4. 4 threes are 12. 4 threes are 12, so 12 will be there as a first part, and square of 525, that is my second part. So 35 into 35, I got 1225. Okay, then I will add 1 time 35. So 1225 plus 35 is 1260. It is 1260. So I get my answer. So by understanding method of square, I could do lot of more things. Let us enhance ourselves more. Okay, my another method is to create. I want my student not to by heart the formulas, but I want them to create the formulas. There is a speciality of me that I like that people create the formulas, and I make them and I give them liberty to find out the answer. Okay, and that is what is lateral vision we talk about. Okay, so we go into the squaring method of 35 again, and we create things laterally. So in this sum, what we are seeing is this answers are possible because this sum has special quality. This quality is unit total, sum total is 10, and first numbers are common. When I see this quality in any sum, I can do it very easily. So let us take 32 into 38. I see 2 plus 8. unit place sum total is equal to 10. When I plus this, it will be equal to 10, and first numbers are same, so I will apply. So I will apply the formula of 35 square and get my answer. I will increase 3 by 1. It will become 4. 4 3s are 12, my first part, and multiply the unit place, that is 2 and 8. So it will be 16. So I got my second part as 16. So 12, 16 is my answer. So now I know that whose last sum total is 10, I can get the answer. So my question comes is, if first sum total is 10, can I get the answer? Can I get the answer of 44 into 48, and so on and on? We try to learn lot of things, okay, from one sum, okay, and we try to find out lot of answers. So this is basically creating the formula. It is making the student to understand and reason into the way of mathematics. This is a very rare skill which very rare teachers are taking up, and I have adopted this system. I want to create research aptitude with all, and that is what I'm trying to do it out. Our motto is to take them on the trip of mathematics, on an adventure of mathematics, into the history of mathematics, and that is what I will be sharing with you. Historical facticity, that is facts of history. I have lot of things, and lot of things you have not been attending my certain seminars, workshops which I have taken earlier. If you have attended, then you might be knowing I have taken on history of mathematics. I have taken 60 prominent mathematician of India. I have taken a lot of sessions on this for a lot of people. Okay, you might have missed it out, or you might have attended all of such sessions. But right now, I will be taking up 3 or 4 incidents which will be definitely making you feel proud and making you think, understand also that how much science was developed in ancient India and how much maths was related to it. Okay, so I will not talk about science. I will be definitely talking about mathematics. First, I will talk about where their numbers in India. So everyone knows zero was been given by India, but even highest number calculation was also given by India. And in that first highest number was given by Valmiki, which was called Mahaoga. Mahaoga is nothing else but 10 to the power 60. That is, after 10, 60 zeros are applied. That digit is called Mahaoga. Okay. Another is given by Kachayana. Kachayana says is Asankhya. Asankhya is 10 to the power 140. So after 10, 140 zero follows. Such a huge number is Asankhya, and it is the highest number what anyone could read and write. Okay. Of course, then lot of researches are been done, but this is a contribution of India. Okay. Another thing I will talk about, India has contributed immensely in geometry and trigonometry. Okay. What Havans, Puja, and all we do, we only see a spiritual aspect of it, but there is lot of mathematical aspect also in it. There is something called Sulva and Shrauta Sutra. Okay, Sulva Sutra earlier where in the sense British translation say it is a mathematics of rope. Okay, but it is not mathematics of rope. Sulva, if you see into very old dictionary, then it has been said as an ritual. So it is a calculation of ritual. It talks about different type of altar और वेदी. जो आज हम हवन कुंड देखते हैं, तो आज कोई भी हवन करो स्क्वायर ही कुंड होता है. But that is not true. Our ancient Vedic people says that every havan has different shapes Vedi. That is, uh, it may be a semicircle, it may be trapezium shape. There are different shapes being given, but nowadays we have made it common square form. Okay, also they say that how much distance any person should sit, and how to do the home havan, and how to put the things into the havan. Okay, so there are all this calculation, and this all calculation need geometry and trigonometry. Okay, they have used the word like tanjaya kotanjaya. Any elder person here could easily understand this word resemble to tangent and cotangent. The word pronunciation is also very similar. Only there is a J in India and there is a gent in Western language. So tangent and we have tanjai. Okay. So we can see that contribution also has been given in India long back before such words were being invented. Very, very innovative thing. And one of my favorite mathematician is Bhaskaracharya too. Okay. He is very intellectual. His teaching style are immensely good. I have taken one entire session on Leelavati. I have a book of Leelavati at my home and a very beautiful book to read again and again. He takes Leelavati to every place and he teaches mathematics to it. I call Bhaskaracharya a social mathematician because he has done a social revolution that in that age he is teaching to a girl to do mathematics and he teaches Leelavati anywhere where he goes. He takes to Leelavati to kitchen and he says, suppose you have six type of ingredient and you have six type of taste, how many pickles you can make it out. Okay, he goes to jungle and he talks about the sums into the jungle. And today I will be narrating one of the sum which he narrates into the jungle of Ujjain. Okay, Ujjain near Indore. Okay, earlier it was a forest, so people so when Bhaskaracharya was there, Ujjain was almost a forest. So he takes Lilavati into Ujjain's forest, and when they were walking around, they see two monkeys are sitting on a tree, and from a tree at a particular distance there is a coop. Coop means nothing else but a whale. ओके, सो कुआं है, एक वेल है, और उससे थोड़े दूरी पे पेड़ है, और पेड़ के ऊपर दो बंदर है। दोनों बंदर को बहुत प्यास लगती है। ओके, तो भास्कराचार्य से सी बोथ द monkeys आर thirsty. Okay, now one monkey directly jump on the well and drink the water. Another monkey come down and go to the water. Which monkey is traveling more and how much does it travel? Okay, so he gives the height of a tree and he gives the distance between tree and well. And he says, A Bale Lilavati, you calculate and tell me if you are smart. Today, this theory is known as in Pythagoras theorem. My friend, if you are interested in knowing how Pythagoras learned it, okay, then there is 50 major philosopher name book, and there are many other philosophical books in which it has been mentioned that Pythagoras teacher has traveled to Egypt, and in Egypt he had seen that people are calculating height of pyramid on base of shadow. Okay, so he asked that what is this method? So they said Al Arkan Al Hindu. We have learned this from India. So he came to India. He learned all this system. He went back. He had taught to Pythagoras, and Pythagoras, being believing in brotherhood, he created and he put it into a theorem instead of sum, and how he got popular. This is a story you can find it out into. You may not find out into the histories of mathematics, but if you are a student of philosophy, you read books like 50 Major Philosopher and all, then you can find it out. This book, I have read it into Kalina University, and you can get it into Delhi University also. This book is available. Okay, I read before 12 years. Okay, anyway, okay, so he has been calculating this, and this is what is Pythagoras theorem. You will be surprised to know Pythagoras in Bhaskaracharya in his next uh, book called Goladhyay, he says monkey cannot jump straight. Monkey jumped into a parabolic form, and he calculated that parabolas also. Okay, nowadays we call parabola as an hyperbola. His terminology was resembling to parabola, so I use the word parabola. It's very interesting to know since some of the elder people are also there in it, so I'm sharing with it more detail. Okay, there is one traveler called Al Khwarazmi. He is traveling across the world, and while traveling, he comes to India and he reads Aryabhatiya and its commentary. Okay, especially commentary's name was Brahmaspota Siddhanta. He liked this book. He goes back and he asks Khalifa, and he shows Khalifa what he learned. Khalifa was happy and he asked him to translate into Arabic. And this book was translated in Arabic and named as Hisabe al Jabar Mawal Mukbala. Hisabi means account. Account means not a commercial account, but account means the account what he has learnt in India during his trip to India. Okay. Mawal Mukbalaha means new way of facing. Al means the, Jabar means equation. So the book name was Account of New Way of Facing the Equation. Okay, if I will put up grammatically. Britishers like this book, English people like this book, they translated it to English. They didn't wanted such a big name, so they used a very small part of it called algebra, and they were not able to pronounce it properly. So today we know it as an algebra. Okay, so see how the words are been traveling, how etymologically words are coming. Okay, let us go to one last part of the session today. Okay, and very interesting, again one of my favorite session. Okay, and that is I want student to play with mathematics. Believe me, I have been conducting the lectures and training sessions with schools. When I take it with the schools, I take the student on playground to play with mathematics. I don't know how many parents here or how many students here had played mathematics into the ground playground, or how many students had gone on a trip of a mathematics. I have done this thing. I have done even annual day on the theme of mathematics. Okay, so we have been doing a lot of activities like this, but right now let us take a play of mathematics. Let us do a conceptual tasking, and I have one very intelligent question. Okay, even parent can participate in it if they are being there here. And this question is something what I called it Akbar Birbal question. Oh, something has been missing. Ah, okay, so this is a Champaklal's problem. Okay, he had a garden which had 50 flower plants. 50 flower plants. In that, certain plant were 13 petals and certain plant were 26 petals. Now Champaklal wanted to know how many petals are there. Friend of Champaklal wanted to know how many flowers are of 26 petals, how many flowers are of 13 petals. And when he asked Champaklal, so Champaklal very cleverly put up the answer question. If anyone closes the eyes and pluck any of the flower, okay, हम कोई भी प्लांट से एक फ्लावर तोड़ते हैं, तो आप दो फ्लावर अगर तोड़ रहे हो, तो पहला फ्लावर एक दोनों में से एक फ्लावर 26 पेटल का होगा ही होगा, और सेकंड 13 का भी हो सकता है, 26 का भी हो सकता है, पर मैक्सिमम चांसेस है कि 26 का तो होगा ही होगा, श्योर चांसेस है। और सेकंड चांसेस भी ऐसा है कि 26 का आ जाए, वेरी रेयर चांस है कि 13 का है। अभी आप बताइए 13 पेटल कितने और 26 पेटल प्लांट कितने हैं? एनीवन वांट टू आंसर? Anyone here want to answer? Shall I give the answer?
49, 49 of 26 petals and 1 of 13 petal.
Very good. Right, Pareshji. Okay. Thank you. 26 petal is 49 and 13 petal is 1. Because 49 है तो 26 का तो आना ही आना है, और since 1 13 petal का है तो there is a rarest chance के एक 13 petal का flower मिल जाए अगर एक plant पे से एक flower pluck कर रहे हैं. Thank you Paresh ji. If you would have been in front of me, I would have given you gift, but online I will not. Okay, so
No problem.
this but you can take a compliment, sir. Okay, so this will be making a changing perception from mathematically harassing teacher to most able teacher helping students. Okay, friends, I was been telling you, with showing you the sum, I was been telling you that what is my motto. See, there are a lot of books in market. You can pick up any of the book and you can learn formulas. Okay, there are a lot of teachers who are been teaching in and around you. You can go and you can learn also, but learning with me will become a fun if you are understanding that I need to think mathematically. My reasoning should be mathematical. My process of thought should be mathematical, and mathematics is not one set of formula, but it is a dynamic set of formula, and I have to make more and more and more formulas. Okay, and you yourself make a formula, then it is a fun. So I give you a scope to make a formula. This is my specialty, what you will be enjoying it. So I always tell that these sessions are lifetime achievement. Okay, it break mathematical phobia. it generate interest in mathematics, prepare for competitive exam as well as world, okay, make them think creatively and laterally, build solid foundation for academic and career success, give confidence to take new challenges, strengthen character to overcome obstacle, generate complete potential in life, motivating reward, performance reward, innovative rewards are there. Okay, highly trained and efficient teachers, cumulative practice and detailed knowledge, explaining technique and practical example, historical fact, conceptual rationality, and unearthing linguistic jargons. Okay, how in which country, what were been the separate words for this particular concept, how the plus sign came into existence, how things have came into existence, is all we will be learning. Playful and cheerful atmosphere, positive response from student as well as parents. So we establish what you expect from ISMCC and ISMCC will expect from you. Okay. So I will be looking forward that you quickly join in with us. Uh, Immediately after this session, Aisha has already shared a form. Again, she will share a form into the group. You can fill the form, you can join us. This courses, when we do it live, we are definitely charging very high, but being a COVID-19 and being my team thought of that, let us bring this thing at a very very cheaper and a better rate for everyone, and let the people get more and more exposed to it. So we have brought it at a very lesser cost to you. And with this, I will be ending up my session. In the given time, I have emptied everything possible in this movement. Now it's you who can apply it and go ahead. I will be waiting you on Wednesday when I start my first batch, first time with you. Thank you. Anyone has any questions?
I don't have your contact numbers. I just got your link, so I joined along with my son. I don't know the contact number.
Yeah, I will give you 8286013013.
Okay. And is there a website there or something like that?
Website I have it braingin.co.in.
Okay. Okay. So
Braingin.com is there.
that group.
Braingin.com is there.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Aisha,
Okay. I just joined. I just joined a group of Brain Gym. Okay. Fine. 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 So I know.
there you will get
Okay.
everything. She will give you my
Okay.
introductions also, everything you will be getting it.
Okay. Okay.
It
No
was very
problem.
nice to have you all. Okay. Paresh bhai, thanks for your participation,
Sir,
active
when we will
participation.
get the books?
You will get the books once you join the course, you will get the book. Okay.
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 What is the
This
cost
demo
of the course
session,
and
by
what is the
this,
duration?
pardon, this demo,
The
this
cost of the course.
it will be 7 days. First session, there are four levels. First level is of 7 days, 1 hour. Though we say 1 hour, it goes 1.5 hours. And if we find that the batch is learning slow, then we go till 9 sessions also. Just now, I have
Okay.
completed my batch with South Africa and all. So South Africa team was a little bit slower, so instead of
Mm-hmm.
7 sessions, we closed it at 10 sessions. So my
Okay.
concept clearance is more important. Okay. So basically, you consider
Right.
7 sessions and you can join in.
लोग चुप नहीं बैठ सकते क्या बोलने के बाद भी थोड़ी देर?
Okay. Uh, so what is the fees for it?
For first level, I have put it up as 999. I will put up all on the group because fees is
Okay.
what a subject I do not like to talk.
Discuss online, right?
No.
Okay. Okay.
Online is
Okay.
not a problem. Okay, I think so. I can give it to
Mhm.
Aisha. Aisha can speak on this thing. Okay.
No problem.
So basically, what happens, when something comes on a commercial term, as a teacher, my attention get diverted. So I
Okay, I got
specialize
it.
this thing. So Aisha is
Got it.
there. Aisha is there. My team members are there. They take up all the things on this. Let
Okay,
me
okay.
let me
Sure,
enjoy
sure.
my
I'll
lectures.
come.
Okay. I enjoy
Yeah, yeah,
I
please.
enjoy teaching. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Got it.
Okay. Any other question?
And second level, third level, fourth level, total duration.
First level is 7 session. Next 3 level, each session is of 9 session.
Okay.
We will be
So
taking
20.
alternate days in a week. So
Okay.
present scenario is Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
Okay.
Okay. If you have any time constraint or there may be possibility that some time conflict may be coming, then when you join the group, we can talk on this thing and mutually we can
Yep.
change the timings.
Yes. Yes. Got it. Thank you.
Okay, sir. What is the content in first level?
Can I put it on the group?
Better that way.
Asha madam? Yeah.
A lot
Yeah,
of
yeah, sure.
information can be put on the group. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. Put on the group. Okay, I have some other things also been piled up, so I will be going to that. I thank you all of you to be here. It was very, very nice time. Okay, Ash,
Yeah.
we'll be talking
Thank you,
with
Deepika.
each other soon.
Thank
Yeah,
you,
thank
sir.
you. Thank you.
Thank you.